If you do this religiously, your skin will thank you. Even yourself, you will love your skin. Hi my loves, it's Frida and I'm back again with another video. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm Frida and I bring to you all things skincare, all things lifestyle, all things beauty, product reviews and so much more. And if you are subscribed to this channel, my real OG, my real MVP, thank you for sticking around. I love you so much. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification on this video. Today, sorry if you see me looking down, I'm referring to my notes because I wrote a lot of juicy tips. You will love it. Let's dive straight into the video. We'll be talking about 6 important skincare tips for the girlies in 2024. Yes. So number 1, if you have acne or acne prone skin, make sure you use azelaic acid and or salicylic acid in your routine. If you have acne prone skin or acne, please get either salicylic acid or azelaic acid, or you can use the two. This is for my acne prone skin girlies or girlies that already have acne that is manifesting. Get these two products in your routine and thank me later. Your routine will contain other things, but these two, once you put them in, it's going to be fire. Or you put one of each, it's going to be fire. So enjoy this tip and thank me later. Number 2, take 2 to 3 days a week to juice, eat fruits and veggies. I can't overemphasize on the importance of juicing. I found about juicing last year and my skin has completely changed. I take out 2 to 3 times a week or days a week to make sure that I buy fruits. I buy pawpaw, carrots, watermelon, pineapple. Pineapple is my favorite. Apples, cucumber. I blend all of them like separately, or not all these things in one. I beg. I blend all of them, like match make them and blend them and take them. I just take it for like 3 days, or I eat them. Do you understand? You can either eat them or you can drink them, but it's super nice. It also helps with your weight and it helps with your skin. You would love your body after this. Please get on this tip. Be a girly girl and begin to choose and eat your fruits correctly, because we know what it is used for. We know what it is doing for our body. So juice or eat your fruits very dedicatedly and you'll see results. When you get the results, thank me later. Yes. The next on our list, number 3, do not sleep without washing your face, even if you do not use any product afterwards. I can't overemphasize this. Don't sleep with makeup. Yes, and even if you didn't apply makeup during the day, you're so tired you can't bathe, I beg you, just go to the bathroom and wash your face. Even if you don't use any product after, wash your face. If you don't want to start breaking out, having some mede on your skin here and there, wash your face before sleeping or bathe before sleeping. If you do this religiously, your skin will thank you. Even yourself, you will love your skin. Your skin will thank you. Have you noticed that some days that you don't wash your face and you sleep up, when you wake up in the morning, you'll be seeing some tiny here and there, your skin will not just be it. Your skin will be feeling extremely greasy. That is why. And even when you wash your face that morning, your skin is still not. It will take some time, like from 3 days before your skin feels better. So why not just make the sacrifice of washing your face every night, even if you don't follow up with products? Please wash your face. The next point, number 4. So tretinoin. Number 4, tretinoin. Tretinoin is not for everybody. Repeat after me. Tretinoin is not for everybody. Know this and know peace, my darling. No this and no peace. Tretinoin is not for everybody. I'm begging you. I'm on my knees if I can. Don't use tretinoin if you don't have to. Don't use tretinoin if it's not dermatologically prescribed. If your dermatologist does not prescribe it, don't use it. Esthetician does not prescribe it, don't use it. Don't self-medicate with tretinoin. Because you saw on TikTok, this girl used tretinoin for hyperpigmentation. Her skin is giving you use it. Ah, mm, sometimes some people don't know that they have acne prone skin till you use tretinoin. Hey, your skin will purge. Your skin will purge. That's not even it. Sometimes actually gives you good results. There are some people that don't know how to use tretinoin correctly just because of the rave and rage of tretinoin. People use it and then they experience God. I've seen somebody that experienced such a her skin looks like it was burnt. Her skin here was light. This other place was dark. The in between them was God. It took time. She had to use natural remedies to correct that face. It was bad. Some people don't know how to use tretinoin. The worst part, they will fetch it so big, or they will be using it every day of the week, or they will not use sunscreen. And then they say, this tretinoin is for my face. My dear, tretinoin is not for everybody. If your dermatologist does not prescribe it for you, don't use it. Your esthetician does not prescribe it for you, don't use it. Your skin therapist does not prescribe it for you, don't use it. Don't just see it on TikTok and gather the money and go to a store and buy it. You regret it. YouTube videos are not enough to tell you how to use tretinoin and what you should use tretinoin for. Allow a specialist to consult with you. Allow a specialist to see your skin and know that you need tretinoin before you go using it. I'm begging you, it's 2024. Don't damage your skin. Hmm. So the next on the list is take detox break from whitening products for 1 week in 1 month or 2 months. Please, between the spacing of 1 month or 2 months, or just in 1 month, maybe for 3 weeks, you rub whitening products. Yes, all these 3 to 5 shades. For 3 weeks, you rub them, and for 1 week, you just rub a moisturizer. Let your skin breathe. Let your skin heal. Let your skin barrier thicken a bit. Or 1 week in 2 months. If bad as it bad, 1 week in 2 months. Please just try to take a break for it for a period of time, then continue, or take a break, then continue, take a break, then continue, so that you don't end up stripping your skin barriers and totally damaging your skin to the point of no correction. There are actually some skins that are damaged to the point of no correction. Yes. Please take a break from whitening products for at least a week in 1 month or 2 months. Thank you. The next point is stay hydrated always. At most 1.5 liter or 2 liters of water a day. It will help. The average for a lady should be 2.7 liters a day, but if you're able to meet 1.5 liter or 2 liters, I know that sometimes drinking water can be stressful. I wasn't a water person, honestly, but I had to learn. Yes, drink your water, or you put maybe a slice of lemon in your water, just something to make it taste right. But just make sure that you're taking water regularly take water. I'm begging you, stay super hydrated. You know that saying that they say, drink water and mind your business. I think you should take it personally. Drink water and truly mind your business. May you no go fight, or maybe no go spoil your fine skin. So drink water and let the water detoxify you. Yes, the water actually helps to detox, cleans your skin of your body generally of toxins and all of that. Aids bowel movements. So it actually helps even with your weight. It helps with weight loss. Water helps a lot when it comes to weight loss, portion control, all of that. Let's not get into that, but water helps a lot. So take water and your skin will look far much better. Okay, the next point, this is the last point, that's the sixth point, is niacinamide and sunscreen is a must, no matter the skin type or complexion. Niacinamide is a must niacinamide and sunscreen in your routine is a must. Whether I have a sensitive skin, an oily skin, a normal skin, a dry skin, whatever, niacinamide is a must. You will thank me later. And sunscreen is a must. Please get an affordable sunscreen, something that you can afford, sunscreen that you like the way it feels on your face. If you like heavy sunscreen, fine. If you like lightweight sunscreen, fine. Water-based sunscreen, just get a nice sunscreen that you like, that suits your skin, and stick with it. And also incorporate niacinamide in your routine. The glow will be different. For the girlies that get it, the girlies that know, the girlies that get it. Put niacinamide in your routine with sunscreen. Thank me later. So these are 6 tips for my girlies in 2024 for a glowing and amazing and radiant skin tone, skin complexion, whatever it is. Please just get on each and every one of these tips. If you actually do, please comment, or if you're already doing it, comment. Let me know. If you're going to do it, comment. Let me know. Just comment. I want to see your comments. Okay, I love you so much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, share to your friends, turn on your post notification button, all of that nice things. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. I love you and God bless you. Bye.